So you want to see how your conversions are performing segmented to those specific campaigns. This works really well if you have multiple conversions used for one campaign. So if your website has a call now CTA which you're recording, or it has an inquiry form, or it has a purchase conversion set up, then this is how you can see how those conversions are performing individually. It's very, very simple, and I use it all the time. So under the campaign section, you can go to this section here, which is segments, and you click under conversion and then conversion action, and you will see that the conversion action now pops up here. So I've only used transactions, and you can see call from ads as well. But if you have multiple ones, then they will all appear here. So you can see them individually for the campaign, and you can also see, if you toggle here, the total accounts. So I have this set to all time. It's only spent just £980 altogether in search. Total account is 1,000, just over 1,000. But you can see we have total calls from ads, local actions, transactions free, transactions default Google Ads profile. So you can see how these are performing against your campaigns and your total accounts.